Hello students, this is the 11th part of MOD. Today I am going to explain how to find the differentiation of parametric equations. Means if equations are given in parametric form, how to find its derivative. Okay, so parametric differentiation. For example, students listen, y is given as some g of t. Means y is a function with respect to t and x is given a function with respect to t, say k of t. Finding dy by dx. How can you find dy by dx? By using chain rule you can find dy by dx. Students listen, Nana. So take first thing, that is dy by dt, differentiating with respect to t, that is g dash of t. Okay, take next one, differentiate with respect to t again, dx by dt equal to k dash of t only. So by using chain rule, dy by dx is nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt only. That is what I can write, g dash of t by k dash of t. So finally what I can say, dy by dx equal to g dash of t by k dash of t. In this way you can find the differentiation of parametric equations. Okay. Example, for example, x is given as a sin theta, y is given as b cos theta. We want to find dy by dx. First approach is eliminating theta, that is method 1. Okay, what I can say, x by a equal to sin theta, y by b equal to cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That is x by a whole square plus y by b whole square equal to 1, or x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Using these equations, I want to find differentiation. Differentiating with respect to t, with respect to x. What happened? X square differentiation 2x by a square, as it is, a is constant, plus 2y into y dash by b square, constant 0. Or in other words, 2x by a square equal to minus 2y into y dash by b square. 2 get cancelled. So y dash equal, what you get, Nana? B square by a square into x by y with minus symbol. So this is the derivative of the function. Okay. So this is one of the approach to find the derivative. What I got, I will write again here. B square x by a square y is the differentiation of x equal to a sin theta and y equal to b cos the parametric form. So yeah, or another way, dx by d theta equal to a cos theta, dy by d theta equal to minus b sin theta, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta by chain rule, minus b sin theta by a cos theta. Or in other words, I can say that dy by dx equal to minus b by a into tan theta. Observe these two. In previous way, what I got, the result is in terms of x and y, but what I got here, the result in terms of tan theta. No problem. Sometimes you can eliminate tan theta by using this result or this. Anyway, so do one thing, student, divide a sin theta by b cos theta equal to x by y only. So a by b tan theta equal to x by y only. or tan theta equal to what happened na bx by ay. Substitute here, that is bx by ay, that is equal minus b square x by a square. Same result you got. But what is the difficulty? What is the difference? So sometimes eliminating theta is not at all easy. See here x equal to a sin theta, y equal to b cos theta. Directly you can eliminate theta, then directly you can find derivative of the function by using first method. Second method, how I did, just I used chain rule, and by using chain rule I got the differentiation of the function. For example, x is given as theta plus a sin theta and y is given as b cos theta. In this case, elimination of theta is not at all easy. Okay, so we will use second method. Second method means directly by using chain rule you can find out. Okay. So example 1, x equal to a times of t plus sin t, y equal to a times of 1 minus cos t. Find dy by dx. Students, here elimination of theta is, elimination of t is not at all easy. Just I want to use chain rule to find its derivative. I will find dy by dt first, dx by dt. After that I will find dy by dx. The result in terms of t. Okay. So first equation, x equal to a times of t plus sin t. Differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt equal to a constant, t derivative 1 plus cos t. Leave it, this is result 1. Take second equation, y equal to a times of 1 minus cos t. Again dy by dt, differentiate with respect to time, so t, a into 0 plus sin t, direct step, minus half minus. Okay, so what I want dy by dx, that is dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, that I will write here. A sin t by a times of 1 plus cos t. That's all. This is the answer. This is the answer, Nana. Or I can write again neatly. The next page I will write dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt means a sin t only. Observe here. Here a sin t. A times of 1 plus cos t, that was. A times of 1 plus cos t. Okay, so a get cancelled. So dy by dx equal to sin t by 1 plus cos t. Okay, Nana. Just two parametric equations are given. By using these two parametric equations, we can find derivative. Next question, second question. X is given as 2 into logarithm of cot t with respect to e, with the base e. Dx by dt 2 into log of f of x, 1 by f of x into f dash of x. Okay, that is 2 into, cot x derivative cosecant minus cosecant square x, cosecant square t by cot t, or more generally minus 2 into cosecant square t into tan t I can write, or more generally minus 2 into 1 by cos sin square t into sin t by cos t. I can cancel 1 sin t minus 2 by sin t into cos t. I will write in next page. Dx by dt equal to minus 2 by sin t into cos t. But if a 2 is there, this becomes sin 2 theta formula. 2 multiplied, 2 divided. That is minus 4 by sin 2 theta, 2t. This is dx by dt. Next I want to take y nana. What is given y here? Tan t plus cot t. Tan t plus cot t. dy by dt equal to tan differentiation secant square t minus cosecant square t. So 1 by cos square t minus 1 by sin square t. That is sin square t minus cos square t by cos square t into sin square t. This is nothing but minus times of cos square t minus sin square t by sin t into cos t whole square. Okay, listen Nana. Actually cos square t minus sin square t means cos 2 theta formula. So 2 sin t cos t means sin 2 theta formula, but 2 I want multiplied by 2. 2 means 2 square multiplied 4 and divided with 4. So what I will get? I will write in next page. Dy by dt equal to minus 4 cos 2t by sin square 2t. Okay, now I want dy by dx. Students, listen. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. That is equal to minus 4 cos 2t by sin square 2t divided by, I want to use another color for the division, divided by, what you call it, minus 4 by sin 2t, minus 4 by sin 2t. Okay, students, listen Nana, interesting step now. 1 sin 2t get cancelled, minus 4 get cancelled. So what I got, I will write here. Cos 2t by sin 2t left, which is same as cot 2t, cot 2t. Therefore, dy by dx equal to cos. Okay, so this is the final conclusion. Students, listen Nana. Here x is equal to logarithm of cot t given, y equal to tan t plus cot t given. We want dy by dx. So what I did, by using first equation, I found dx by dt and simplified form. What is simplified form? Yeah, this is simplified form. After I took next equation, that is y equal to tan t plus cos t, I found dy by dt, and here interesting steps, sin t cos t. To get sin 2t, I multiplied 2 nana. Actual square is there, no, means I multiplied 4 divided by 4. Okay, so finally you got this is the dy by dt. So by use chain rule, dx by dt, dy by dt nothing but dy by dt into dx by dt. So I got dy by dx as. Okay. Next interesting problem. X is given in terms of t and y is given in terms of t, and t belongs to open interval minus 2 to t. Find f dash of x at t equal to 1. just dy by dx you want to find at t equal to 1. Okay, first of all I want to find dx by dt. 5 into t power 4 minus 15 into t square minus 20. dy by dt next directly. 12t square minus 6t minus 18. Okay, so what do you want next, Nana? This is dy by dt. Okay. Next, dy by dx you want. That is dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt means only got now 12t square minus 6t minus 18 by 5t power 4 minus 15t square minus 20. Okay, but what do you want? dy by dx at t equal to 1. At t equal to 1. So just you want substitute 1 instead of t, nana. 12 minus 6 minus 18 by 5 minus 15 minus 20 equal to here plus 6 minus 12 by minus 30. That is equal to 12 by 30. 6 2s are 6 5s are, that is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, so dy by dx at t equal to 1 is 2 by 5. Just x is given and y is given. I found dx by dt, dy by dt. From that I got a dy by dx. So what do you want? F dash of x t equal to 1 means dy by dx at t equal to 1. So in the result, instead of t write 1, what we will get? That is the value of dy by dx at t equal to 1. This fourth problem, students. X is given as e power minus t square. Dx by dt is equal to e power f of x differentiation, e power f of x into f dash of x. That is e power minus t square into, that is minus 2t. So finally what I can write? Minus 2t into e power t minus t square is dx by dt. Okay, next y is given as tan inverse of 2t plus 1. dy by dt is equal to tan inverse of f of x 1 by 1 plus f of x square into f dash of x. 1 by 1 plus 2t plus 1 whole square into derivative of 2t plus 1. I will write in next page. dy by dt equal to 2 by, because differentiation of 2t plus 1 2 only, 1 plus 4t square plus 1 plus 4t, that is equal to 2 by 4t square plus 4t plus 2, which is same as 1 by 2t square plus 2t plus 1, that is dy by dt. What do you want actually? Dx by dt you want. dy by dx you want. That is nothing but dy by dx by dx by dt. dt nana this one. So what I can say? 1 by 2t square plus 2t plus 1 divided by dx by dt. Where is that? This one. Minus 2t into e power minus t square by 1. So finally what I can say? 1 by minus 1 by 2t into e power minus t square into 2t square plus 2t plus 1. That's all. No need to simplify, nana. This is the dy by dx. Okay. Next, fifth problem, somewhat difficult problem, important problem, IMP model. Y is given as secant 4x and x is given as tan inverse of t. We want dy by d in terms of t, that is interesting thing. Dy by d in terms of t, that is only interesting. So here directly dy by dx I can find secant 4x differentiation, secant 4x into tan 4x into inner 4x difference 4. Okay, but I want convert this in terms of t's, only t's, not in trigonometric function, only t's. How can? So for example, from this equation what I can say, t equal to tan t under condition, tan x. So I want convert all in terms of tans. After that I want substitute instead of tan t, then you will get the solution. Understood? All in terms of tans. Secant 4x should be converted in terms of tans only. Tan 4x should be converted in terms of tan x only. After that you get the required result. Okay, secant 4x means how can write? Root over secant square 4x you can write. Root over 1 plus tan square 4x you can write. After that root over 1 plus tan 4x whole square. Tan 4x should be tan 2x, tan 2x should be tan x. Then you need to substitute t, it becomes very very difficult. That's why I want to use another method to solve this problem. Okay. Yeah, y equal to 1 by cos 4x. Our intention is we want write cos all in terms of tans. That's a 1 by 1 minus tan square 2x by 1 plus tan square 2x, tan 2x formula. So y equal to what I got? 1 plus tan 2x whole square by 1 plus, sorry, where is that? Down minus, okay, 1 minus tan 2x whole square. I will find tan 2x value here. Tan 2x equal to, okay, what is that? 2 tan x by 1 minus x, tan square x. Or instead of this, what I can write? T equal to tan x. So what I can write? 2t by 1 minus t square. Okay, therefore y equal to 1 plus 2t by 1 minus t square whole square by 1 minus 2t by 1 minus t square whole square. I will simplify next page. Y equal to 1 minus t square whole square plus 4t square by 1 minus t square whole square minus 4t square. So 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square plus 4t square by 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square minus 4t square. 1 plus t power 4 plus 2t square by t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1. Okay. Yeah, now I want find differential directly. dy by dt. I think here dy by dt directly, not dy by dx. I think what you want, dy by dt you want. So directly I can find dy by dt here. Okay. So again I want to write neatly here, students. What I got? By 1 plus t power 4 plus 2t square by t power 4 minus 6t square, 6t square plus 1. dy by dt, not dx. I think that is not a dy by dx, dy by dt only. U by v form you want use. Okay, dy by dt equal to u dash 4t cube plus 4t into u t power 4 6t square plus 1 minus 1 plus t power 4 plus 2t square into 4t cube minus 12t by 6 power 4, sorry, not 6 power 4, t power 4. T power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 whole square. Just u dash v minus uv dash by v square nana. Now you want to simplify. Okay. Okay, how can I simplify easily? Here 4t can take common. Here 1 4t. 4t totally is taken common. Here t square plus 1 into t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 minus 1 plus t power 4 plus 2t square into t square minus 3, that's all, by t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 square. Okay, now multiplication. Okay, 4t into t power 6 minus 6t power 4 plus t square plus t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 minus t square minus t power 6 minus 2t power 4. Okay, plus 3 plus 3t power 4 plus 6t square divided by t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 whole square. Now we want to simplify numerator. Okay students, so some cancellations. What are the cancellations? This t power 6 cancelled. Okay, this 6t square cancelled. Okay, minus 6t power 4 plus minus 5t power 4, this is minus 7t power 4 minus 7t power 4, yeah, minus 4t power 4. Yeah, next squares, t square get cancelled. I think all completed. 3 plus 1 4 by t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 square into 4t is there. From this also I can take 1 4 common, Anna. So finally what we will get? 16t into 1 minus t power 4 by t power 4 minus 6t square plus 1 square. So this is the dy by dt. I will write dy by dt. This one I think we want. I want cross check. Here same. This one only. Okay. Only here difficulty is simplification only.